To create a graphic page, Mr. Simpson must first switch to the Graphic tab and then change mode to Configuration. As Mr. Simpson has not yet created a graphic page, he creates a new page called Machine 1. He now sees a grid on which he can create and position the elements. The difference between graphic pages and dashboards is that the elements can be positioned freely, and own images and graphics can be incorporated. This is not currently possible with a dashboard. Mr. Simpson adds the tank widget and positions it on the grid. He can position the widget freely using the mouse or enter fixed coordinates. He enters the height 250 to enlarge the element. To display a variable, he selects Machine 1 and the temperature variable. The temperature value is shown straight away. To identify the temperature more easily, he changes the scale to 0 to 60 and enters the unit degrees Celsius and adds color ranges. Here too, he can configure as many color ranges as required. Similarly, all widgets known from the dashboard can also be used here. Mr. Simpson uses a true-false button in the same way as on the dashboard. He links this to the green lamp with the variable and selects bit as the type and selects the first bit. This button is now visible in the view mode and can be used to switch the lamp on and off. We now come to an important difference between the graphic pages and the dashboard. Mr. Simpson wants to design a customized button. He can do this using the graphic function. In this case, he clicks on the option of an active image, selects Upload File, and uploads his own image files. He selects the green LED as the active image and the gray LED as the inactive image. For a more aesthetically pleasing layout, he also modifies the height and width of the button. When the switch is actuated, this will now switch between the two configured images. This switch can, for example, also be used with images of switch symbols. Mr. Simpson also has the option to display images on the graphics page, in this case, the Turck logo. He can also insert live content such as the video transmission from a webcam. As an example, we will use the link to a public webcam here. Mr. Simpson can now see his machines and control them via a button.